Essences, PHI Mother Earth essences. It's very important I explain you. PHI, this comes from the sacred geometry, and that is the key of the universe. That's the key of the life. It's what you find in all the structures, in the mineral, in the plants, in the animal, in the planetary system. It's Mother Earth because people have to remember that the earth is our mother. She provides everything that we need, but also we have to learn to treat her with love, to treat her with respect, not to contaminate, not to destroy her, because otherwise we destroy ourselves. Okay, the whole work is based like a pyramid. We have Mother Earth, and inside of Mother Earth, we have the highest manifestations. These are the gemstones and the crystals. So we are using the gem essences, especially for the grounding and for the balancing of the body. Then we have the mushrooms. And when you look at the mushrooms, they are invisible. You don't see them because they're inside of the earth or the inside of the tree. And what you see, what comes up to the surface, is it's just the part for the reproduction. So therefore, we work also with mushroom essences, and they're very important for the cleansing. And they connect you to the first level of subconscious level. What is the personal subconscious level? Of subconscious levels. There are 5 different levels of subconscious level. They can clean already all the memories from this lifetime. Okay? But there are more levels down there. You have then the family history, you have the people's history, you have the human history and the biological. And there were no remedy to get down to the lower levels before we did not work with crop circle. Crop circle is also cleaning all the lower levels. So we don't have to repeat always the same history, the same schema. And you will understand it's all related to very low level. Everything that's going on in this moment. COVID situation, war situation, it's all related to that. And then from the flower essences, of course, we know them. The Bach flowers, you have the 38 Bach flowers, you know them. I was working with them also, but without cutting. And therefore we say they are the classic flower essences. So the difference is pain information or no pain information. And then we have the wildflower essences. And then we are working with the African flower essences from the Canary Islands in Africa. So they have a lot of fire element. And then we are work with the cactus. Cactus is very important for protection, and with the roses. And the roses are very important for the healing. And then in 1989, I went to the Amazon, starting to work with the orchids. All the flowers, they work only on emotional level. So this means your etheric and astral body. Then there are other levels up there. You can see the points. There are more energetic layers. And this is where the orchids are working. Orchids, they are not growing with the roots in the earth. They are growing on the tree, epiphytic. And therefore, the essences of orchid essences, they work on the higher chakras. And then we have here the dolphin. That was the first one. It's also representing all the animals for the animal essences. And animal essences is for the healing of personal and for environmental. So this is the end of the terrestrial essences. And then we have more essences from outside. So I was then working with the planet systems and with crop circle information. So we go on. So you wanted to know what you can mix and what you cannot mix. everything what is below orchid essences you can mix.